All right, today we're going to do a little bit of polishing, hand polishing. So if you have your dumps or any aluminum, stainless steel, this stuff right here, and I hope I'm saying that right, the Zephyr, I'm using the Pro 25 polish. And I'm going to show you how good this stuff works. It's actually incredible. So the first thing you want to do, get the polish. They have different cuts of the polish. Now, the only thing you need to do to polish this is get your polish, and you're going to use a soft microfiber towel because we're going to do this by hand. They have different microfiber towels, but you want to get the real soft one because the heavier ones will leave small scratches, which is not a big thing, but you kind of want to make this as clean as possible. So what we're going to do is just, I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so what we're going to do is just take this towel, fold it up a little bit. I'm going to move this one out the way because we'll do that one later. Make sure you shake this up pretty good. And this stuff is incredible. Gonna put a little bit right there. Now you see this. If you get dumps or you have your any of your stainless, especially with these, a lot of people want to get this off. And I already did this side just to show you, but I want to show you in real time exactly how this works. So we're gonna take a little bit of that. I'm just gonna dab it just a little bit there. Fold that up. We're just gonna put it on there and rub it by hand. And as you can see, it is taking it right off. See that? That means that it's working. We'll do that a little bit. We're just gonna dab a little bit more on there. You don't need a whole lot. And you just want to work it. And I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I want to show you just how good this polish is. See that? All right, we're going to keep on polishing this up. And what you can do is take your dry side and wipe that off. In just a few strokes, you can see how clean that is coming. So we're going to go ahead and do this side too. And like I said, this is just a quick video to show you how good this polish works. Go ahead and take a little bit more, put it on there. I'm going to do a side that's still have the coating on there. We're just going to take that and rub it out. You can use the buffer like I used in my other video, but when we find new products, we are definitely going to try and use them and see if they work or not. See all of that oxidation coming off? We'll go ahead and rub it. Circle this one around a little bit. And look at that. Very, very easy, very simple. And this stuff works amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this right here. And I'm going to show you this before. And we're not going to cut the video. We are just going to polish it. We're going to do the same thing here. A little bit on there. And like I said, you want a really fine microfiber cloth because you will see the scratches in it if you get a heavier microfiber. And I'll leave a link to a couple of them in the description. Look at that. Go ahead and find the dry side, and we're just going to wipe it off. Now, I'm going to pick that up. Look at that. You see that mirror shine, mirror finish? Just a couple of seconds. Now what I'm going to do is hit it one more time and get a fresh towel. And we're going to make a second pass on it. And this is super quick and easy. So for instance, if you have your setup in your car, you don't have to take it apart to get it clean. You could just grab some of this and go over it. And it will bring everything to a mirror finish. Go ahead and wipe that off. Now we're going to show you. See the difference in that? How clean that looks. Just a couple of seconds. Just a couple of seconds in, you get a super clean finish. That's the original side. And this is polished side. There you go. Got a better shot for you. So now real quick, we're going to try the slow down. Let's move this out the way. So here's the slow down. This is exactly how I got it from Hoppos. My man Alex over there. What's up? So you see this. This is the before. We're not going to cut any film. We're going to do this straight. So we can go ahead and sit that down. We're going to grab our towel again, and we're going to find a good side here. Clean side. A couple of drips on there. You don't need a lot. Let's go ahead and rub this out. And you can see the oxidation coming off just after a few strokes. And the good thing about this is that it's not going to take you all day to get it polished. See that there? Now let's take this clean one and fold him up real quick. Let's wipe this off. I'm sure you can see it on the camera. Now what we're going to do is show you up close. Look at that. And the more you polish it, see those little fine lines? That's just from the strokes of the microfiber cloth. So we're going to hit it one more time. Like I said, this is strictly to show you guys how good this works. You didn't even know we cleaned it good the first time. See that? We're going to go ahead and wipe this off. So you don't need to chrome everything out. Just find a way, find another product and see if that'll help you. All right. We're going to put this up to the camera. Look at that. Look at that. So this is the product that you're going to use to clean your stainless steel and your aluminum. I will have links for this down in the description. So go ahead and order. It don't give the channel a lot, but it definitely helps out. So you want to use the Zephyr Pro 25. Toxic Rods. Like and subscribe to the channel.